Hi guys, welcome back to Future Dimensions 360. As you know, in our last tutorial we had learned about orbit control. This is very small and quick tutorial regarding pointer lock events. How you can lock your pointer. If you want to lock your pointer, if you are inside the scene, you want user to control it with the help of buttons. How you can do that? Let's say you are playing in first FPS game, first person game, and you want user to move forward by using forward, backward arrows. You don't want to show the pointer. So for that one, what we have to do here is we have pointer lock controls class available inside React 3 drei library. So just after orbit control you have to import that one, and you have to call that, pass that as a JSX inside the canvas anywhere as a child. As soon as you will pass pointer lock control there, go back to your React 3.js project, reload it. As soon as you will click, your pointer will go. Let's see, now you can see here, to show your cursor please press escape. So your cursor is gone already, you cannot see your cursor anymore. Okay, as soon as you will click escape, your cursor will start appearing again. So I hope you guys had understand it, and this is very normal and very thing. I want you to get this information, that's why we created a separate tutorial for that. So in case of any question, any query, you can comment us, you can reach us to our mailbox as well. I'll see you in the next tutorial. Until then, take care and goodbye.